Rob is joining us from the US. We were in Germany, then we moved to Paris, and now we are in the United States of America. Rob is manager for advanced development and project manager as well. Project. He has a lot of job titles. Let's say it that way. He wears many
Yes.
hats. We can hear you, Rob. Everything is good.
Great.
Yep.
Great. Yeah. So I'll do a quick introduction then, and then carry on from there. Let me get my presentation up as well.
Yeah. So he will talk about from concept to connection, printed electronics, and circuit solutions. Yep.
Okay. Yeah, as Christoph mentioned, my name is Rob Irwin. I'm the manager for our advanced development team as well as our project management team, and we've got some business development responsibilities for printed electronics underneath me as well. So from this point forward, I will start carrying on with the presentation. I'll do a little bit of update about what Molex is doing in the printed electronics arena and give you a brief overview before I get too far into the presentation as well. Okay, I'll let you read the agenda while this is up here, but while I do that, or while you do that, I will share with you more about Molex. So Molex is a global organization. Most people know about Molex as an electronics connector company or connection company. Um, it's got many different things we do within Molex, but the business that I'm responsible for within Molex is the flexible circuits or printed circuit solutions business. And within that, we've got many different capabilities, which you'll see more here. But suffice to say, we're a global, privately held organization that has our footprint in just about any electrical device out there these days. So to start off, I did want to give you a brief overview of where Molex Printed Circuit Solutions has come from, its history, and where we think we are today and where we think we're going. But overall, Molex really got into what we would call print electronics through membrane switches back in the 1980s as an evolution from just the original rocker switches. Um, and then from there, we've evolved that offering and capability set to include added value applications like LED bonding, adding graphic overlays, then getting into the 2000s timeframe, we got more into the capacitive user interface market through either the electronics in the background or the printed foil that is typically able to be backlit. And then from there, we continue to produce products like that to this day. But from there, we continue to evolve into more and more complex printed electronics, hybrid electronic assemblies, including the ability to bond ICs and ultimately many different types of SMT-like components to our printed circuit substrates. And alongside that, we've been, just like many others in this community, getting into the power arena with getting into flexible batteries. And then really what we're continuing to do there is add incrementally each of those capabilities to be able to make more and more complex assemblies with the core capability being flexible electronics. And we'll get into more of that later. But here where we are today is we've got fairly complex and sophisticated capabilities to produce hybrid electronics in quite high scale, and the ability to add adhesives, foams, batteries, etc. beyond just the hybrid electronic aspect of things. So we like to say that we're continuing to lead the market with our integration capabilities. I kind of gave you a preview of what we're going to talk about on this slide. So ultimately, we leverage flexible printed circuits as our core capability, and then use our electronics and manufacturing footprint and know-how in order to add additional capabilities to an end user's device. So we've got many applications. Most of our applications actually have some